Understanding Smoking Wood, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, smoking wood. This idiom might sound a bit peculiar, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in conversation. Smoking wood isn't a phrase that you'll find in everyday conversation, and it's not an established idiom in English. It could be a literal term or a creative expression. If taken literally, it refers to wood that is being used to produce smoke, often in cooking or for a smoky flavor. However, if someone is using it figuratively and creatively, it might require some context to understand what they mean. It could, for example, imply that a situation or a discussion is heating up to the point where it's about to catch fire, metaphorically. When it comes to cooking, smoking wood is a specific kind of wood used to infuse smoke flavor into food. Different types of woods, like hickory, applewood, or mesquite, can be used depending on the desired flavor profile. Barbecue enthusiasts and chefs use smoking wood to enhance the taste of meats and other dishes. In a figurative sense, if you hear someone refer to a situation as smoking wood, they might be suggesting that tensions are building up. It's similar to saying there's smoke before the fire, indicating that a conflict or some action is about to happen. This usage is quite creative and not widely recognized, so it's always good to ask for clarification if you're unsure. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, smoking wood, and how it can be used. Whether you're talking about the literal act of smoking meats or using it as a creative expression, you now have a better understanding of this phrase. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll join us again for more English language insights. Happy learning!